Skytech Chronos 3 PC is illegal? Ryzen 9800X 3D plus RTX 5080 equals absurd FPS. Don't watch it work. You ever fire up your favorite game, let's say Elden Ring or Valorant, and suddenly your PC sounds like it's trying to launch into orbit? Stuttering frames, laggy inputs, graphics that look like 2010 YouTube, yeah, we've all been there. It's not just annoying, it kills the vibe. Creators? Same hell. Renders drag. Premiere crashes mid-export. Your high-performance machine is basically just a noisy RGB toaster. That dream setup you were promised? It turned into a glitchy nightmare. And the worst part? You know you're wasting time and money on outdated gear that's gaslighting you daily. Deadlines don't care about your frame drops. Neither does that ranked match you just lost because your PC decided to take a nap during a gunfight. You're under pressure, whether it's streaming for followers, editing under the clock, or grinding games after work to stay sane. And when your rig starts thermal throttling mid-session, it's like being betrayed by your own teammate. You feel the burnout creeping in, mentally, emotionally, and digitally. Missed clips, corrupted files, dropped viewers, this ain't just frustrating, it's straight up defeating. You're grinding in ultra settings but living in low performance. It's time for that plot twist. Say hello to the Skytech Chronos 3 gaming PC, aka the fire-breathing monster rig your dreams have been begging for. Fueled by the god-tier Ryzen 7 9800X 3D, and the savage RTX 5080 16GB, this machine doesn't just run games, it devours them at 4K Ultra like it's breakfast. 32GB DDR5 RAM, RGB Flex included? Check. 2TB Gen 4 NVMe SSD for blink-fast load times? Yup. Oh, and it's ice-cold thanks to a 360mm liquid AIO cooler with ARGB fans, so say goodbye to thermal throttling for good. Whether you're gaming, creating, streaming, or multitasking all of the above, this PC doesn't blink. It dominates. From buttery smooth 60+ FPS gameplay to ultra-low latency editing, the Chronos 3 unlocks your full potential. No more skipping frames, no more screaming fans, no more crashes midstream. Just pure, uninterrupted performance with eye-melting visuals and spine-tingling responsiveness. Whether you're climbing the ranks, building your content empire, or deep diving into immersive single-player worlds, this beast brings serious big rig energy. And guess what? It even looks like a legend: frosted mesh case, ARGB lighting, that clean white aesthetic. So go ahead, click in, geek out, and level up. Your future rig just dropped. This isn't just another PC, it's your cheat code to elite performance. And here's the kicker. Units are flying off shelves. Gamers, streamers, and creators are already flexing their Skytech rigs across Twitch, YouTube, and TikTok. Don't let FOMO cook you, because once this batch is gone, it's back to overheating and buyer's remorse. Still skeptical? You're covered with a 1-year warranty, pro-level US support, and thousands of 5-star reviews. No bloatware, no BS, just pure gaming glory. So if you're ready to go from frustrated to formidable, stop scrolling. Click now, join the Chronos cult, and melt faces. You were built for better, and so was this.